How many calories are in eggs with different ways of cooking? Hey everybody, what's up? Today we are going to dive into a topic that will certainly whet your appetite: eggs. Without a doubt, they are one of the most versatile and delicious foods available. Apart from their incredible variety of preparation, they also offer different nutritional benefits. Let's explore the different types of cooking and take a look at the calories in each. If you're curious to learn more about this culinary wonder, be sure to leave your like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any content. Are you ready? So, let's get started. 1. Fried egg. Let's start with the classic, the fried egg. Just break the egg into a hot frying pan with some oil or butter, let the white become firm, and the yolk, well, you can leave the yolk soft or hard-boiled, according to your preference. Oh, and did you know that a fried egg has about 107 calories on average? It is a very tasty option, but don't overdo it. 2. Boiled egg. Now let's talk about the hard-boiled egg. Just put the egg in boiling water and let it cook for a few minutes. If you want the yolk soft, leave it for about 4 to 6 minutes. Now if you prefer a harder yolk, leave it for 9 to 12 minutes. Oh, and a boiled egg has an average of 70 calories. It is a lighter and super practical option. 3. Poached egg. Let's go for a more elegant style, the poached egg. This one is a little more complicated, but not impossible. You break the egg into a container and gently slide it into boiling water with some vinegar or broth. Let it cook for about 2 to 4 minutes and you're done. The white is cooked and the yolk is runny. Oh, and one poached egg has about 80 calories. 4. Omelette. And we can't forget the classic omelette. Just beat the eggs in a bowl, season them with salt and pepper, and pour them into a hot frying pan with some butter or oil. Let it cook until it is firm but still moist in the center. You can add various ingredients like cheese, vegetables, or even leftover meat to make your omelette even tastier. A 2-egg omelette has about 200 calories, but this can vary depending on the ingredients added. 5. Scrambled egg. Now for a breakfast classic, scrambled eggs. Simply beat the eggs, season with salt and pepper, and cook in a frying pan with butter or oil. Keep scrambling until the eggs are creamy and lightly cooked. They are delicious and have about 100 calories. 6. Egg Cocot. Last but not least we have the egg Cocot. This is an egg cooked individually in a small pan or ramekin, usually with other ingredients such as cheese, herbs or vegetables. Then it is baked in the oven until the white is firm and the yolk soft or cooked. An average Cocot egg has 120 calories. So what's up, everybody? Now that we know the different ways of preparing eggs and their calories, it's easier to choose the option that best fits your diet or your taste. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, essential vitamins and minerals for our bodies. And best of all, they are so versatile that you can adapt them according to your taste and preference. If you are looking for lighter options, the hard-boiled egg and the poached egg are great choices, with fewer calories and a delicious texture. If you are looking for a more comforting and tasty dish, fried eggs, omelets and scrambled eggs are amazing options. Remember that moderation is fundamental in any diet. Even if it is a healthy option, consuming eggs in excess may contribute to a higher calorie intake than necessary. Therefore, it is always important to balance it with other nutritious foods and maintain a balanced diet. I hope you have enjoyed these tips on different ways to prepare eggs and their calories. Now, just choose your favorite method and enjoy these culinary wonders. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more tips on healthy eating and food curiosities. Leave your like if you liked the video and share it with your friends so that they can also be informed about this information. A big hug and see you next time.